My name is Chippy Sheikh. I have been an active ANC member from the age of 24 years old. I'm now 64 years old this year, which means I have spent the last 40 years of my adult life promoting, supporting the ideals of the African National Congress as espoused in the Freedom Charter. I was first arrested in 1985, then again in 1987 for opposing the apartheid government at the time. I spent almost 2 years in solitary confinement in just over 5 prisons in South Africa, namely Durban Central Police Station, Westville Maximum Prison, Brits Police Station, Pretoria East Police Station, and Piet Retief Police Station. I was never charged. I have always voted for the ANC from the very first democratic election in 1994 till the present election in May 2004. I voted African National Congress. I made a promise to my ANC colleagues that should the ANC government go into a coalition with the Democratic Alliance, that I will publicly burn my ANC T-shirt at the disgust of such a decision. For me to watch the DA John Steenhuisen gloat on national television about returning to government and about making a change in the South African government system is just too much for me and millions like me to bear. I also know that the DA publicly supports the murderous Zionist regime of Israel that murders and butchers thousands and thousands of innocent Palestinian children, mothers and fathers. I cannot betray my soul. I cannot betray my heritage, nor the blood that runs in my veins. So today, I will burn the ANC T-shirt in public as promised. After 40 years with the African National Congress, I will become now a political orphan with no political identity. I can only wish all South Africans all of the best for the envisaged future. Thank you. Here's my promise that I have kept to my ANC colleagues, that I will no more support the ANC's ideas. Ideals as espoused in the Freedom Charter no more applies. There is no more Freedom Charter. There is no more black aspiration. There is no more black liberation. There are no more black ideals. This country will be controlled and managed by the huge business corporations of South Africa. White corporations, business corporations. It will not be a country that respects black ideals. I thank you once again, ANC, for the wonderful years we spent together, but our relationship has to go.